How are you? This is Rick, Animal Pest Control. I'm doing bird removal. New Jersey, there's birds getting in the vent. So I'm going to remove the nest and seal the vent so no birds can get back in. It's guaranteed. On the roof, I'm actually in West Caldwell, but it's going to be bird removal and screening, New Jersey. And I'm going to show you the vent right now. There's the vent. So if you need any birds removed or animals getting in the vent, call 973-830-7729. 973-830-7729. Bird removal, New Jersey, and screening the vent, 973-830-7729.